What's up guys? Yan, I have to share something to you. This is PT Levio trans panel. This model is PT Levio 250 from Toyota. So ito yung kanyang label. Yan, yung capacity niya is 2,500. Then Toyota manufactured. Model is LPE 250. So it is a battery operated 24 volts. Ayan. It has a problem in drive motor. So I open it already, the front cover. This one. So as you can see, this is a travel regulator, the computer, and this is a drive motor, AC motors from Schamp Muller. So it has 3-phase AC. Operated in 24 volt kilowatt. This is the hydraulic pump, but first it has a problem in the motor. So this is there is a passcode 1258, then enter. So it is 100% battery. Lifting, lift up like this one, and this lift down. Then this is the forward and reverse. Press the off button, then the system will off, and also remove the battery cable before making any electrical job. I remove the side cover, this one on the right side, and this front cover. So I'm going to remove this operator's platform. So press this and then pull. Okay, so this is the proximity switch. So number 18 spanner, I'm going to remove. I loosened already. So the other one I'm going to remove. This one. Removing this, I can pull now this platform. Okay guys, can move now. So I have a free space to removing the motor. Okay, now it's all free now. I can remove some mess here in the caster wheel because some plastic wrap around, and I'm going to remove also this solid wheel drive. Just to remove this pivot arm, so I'm going to remove this 2 X bolt and this number 24 nut bolts here, so that I can remove this pivot arm. Okay. I already loosened this before, so it's very easy to remove. Okay. Next is this one. Then I can press down this pivot. See, it's already loosened, and also by hammering to remove. Remove this pivot arm.
We have free space to remove this drive motor.
Because I'm going to dismantle, I think the bearing inside is already worn out, because when it is running it become grounded, and the system is stopped, and the system is stopping the operation because there is a grounded issue. So I'm going to remove this bolt. I already loose, and for magnetic switch brake. This is a switch brake magnetic I think this is for field windings. Okay, field windings, speed sensor switch, brake switch, magnetic brake switch. This one, and these three is the line 1 and line 2, line 3. Okay, guys, I remove this. This line 3. I put some marking so I can trace where these cable are connected each other, like this. And also going to remove the cable, this bracket. Okay, guys, I already removed using Allen key number 5. Trying to remove this bracket bolt. So the last bolt here, the corner. Okay. Now I can remove this motor. Okay. This is the motor. First, before I dismantle this one, I'm going to remove this magnetic switch brake. I'll show you later. And I'm going to clean this mess because I'm going to remove also this drive gear, because I'm going to repack the bearing. This is the bearing. If there is no grease, it's very hard to steer, so I'm going to need to remove this old grease in there, and I'm going to put a new grease. Okay, guys, first I'm going to remove this magnetic switch brake. So I have to remove this rubber protection. That there is two holes. You can put this bolt. It can hold this together, because if removing these three bolts, it will lose all assembly. This protection rubber, and this magnetic switch brake. See? This is the brake disc. Then I'm going to remove this pilot gear. It's a circlip. It needs to remove. Okay, still acting. And then I'm going to pull out the ring gear. And going to remove the insert key. Another circlip. Remove this speed sensor. And also remove this cable. Okay. See? Puller, I'm going to pull this ring gear. This is the ring gear, and also still there is a lock ring. Tap it gently so that it can loose. So using bearing puller, remove this end shield. Remove the circlip to extract the bearing. Okay guys, thank you for the watching of my video. Watch out for part 2 of this assembling the drive motor.